UPS, GPS, USPS, FedEx. Y'all tried it when y'all like toss my packages on lady. First of all, do y'all see this? A1. Oh, this bag is gorgeous. This is nice, girl. On it, so let's get into it. I'm excited, girl. I'm excited. Gee, do y'all see this leather on this bag? Talk to me nice, girl. You ain't even gotta oil up the gold. That's how shiny this gold is. Y'all, I'm about to be out in the streets with my don't touch my Sinbono bag, thank you. Y'all, this bag, first of all, this is what I saw when I opened it up. What? You put this on the table, everybody gonna be trying to touch your purse. Ma'am, don't touch, excuse me, it's Corona, don't be touching my my purse.
Cause it's different and we're not the same. Don't say me things have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be a
YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach them lifestyle, fashion, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. So y'all, this is going to be a fashion related video, and I was sent some handbags to review. So if you're ready, keep on watching, okay? Okay, so hey y'all, so I was contacted by a company called Sinbono, and they sent me some beautiful handbags. First of all, let's talk about packaging. UPS, GPS, USPS, FedEx. Y'all tried it when y'all like toss my packages on lady, but y'all look, this is what the packaging looks like. It's this like marble with rose gold situation going on in the middle of it. A1. Okay, I haven't even opened up the box yet and I'm already excited, but Sinbono loves to give 100% vegan leather handbags for an affordable price. So I'm super excited that they contacted me, and let's get to it. So let's open her up because y'all really tried me with this bag. And this is the Ava bag. Okay, first of all, do y'all see this? A1. Y'all know I love, you know, ooh, the dust bag. Okay, y'all know all the designers, they have dust bags. Okay, Sinbono got a dust bag as well. Honestly, this is one of the better quality ones because it is like a smooth felt tip like material. It's not like them little cheap joints. And then it also has a drawstring at the top, so you could do this as well. I put all my bags, I leave them in the dust bag because, girl, I don't know, I just do. So let's open up Ava's bag. But this is what their dust bags look like, and this is Ava, and I got her in the color y'all, do y'all see her? Ava, girl. First of all, Sinbono got their logo right here. If you're not a logo type of chick, you can always have it on the back. But y'all, this bag is gorgeous. Do y'all see it? 100% vegan leather, but just look at it. It's like in good condition. It's not cracked nor anything. I don't see too many seams, anything of that nature. This is very trendy bag. I've been seeing a lot of like bloggers and fashion girls have this. I love the scrunch detail at the top. Okay, girl, she is giving. So let's talk about the inside. How you open it? Okay, so it's a magnetic inside. As you can see, it looks like this, and it also has a, hold on, girl, she got a little, let me take the paper out. Y'all, do y'all see how it, ooh, it's like magnetic, but y'all, it has a pocket right here so you can put your ID, and then it also has a zipper pocket right here. So they have their logo on the inside. Y'all can see. Ooh, I'm trying to keep it open. This magnetic is strong. Can y'all see that? It has their logo in it with a gold detail zipper. This is nice, girl. Let me put her on real quick. Y'all see her? Y'all see me? Y'all see her? Oh, this is cute. This is, y'all, what, this is their Ava bag. Again, this is their Ava bag. Make sure you check the link in my bio if this is something you're in the mood for. The green is a, I would say it's a bold color, but I wanted something out of the ordinary. You know, when you start traveling, going on trips and doing looks and stuff, girl, you have to like do a pop of color every now and then, and I don't have a green bag. So this right here, I'm very impressed. Like, y'all, good. Let me put her back in her bag. Let me put her back in her bag because, y'all, I am shocked. Make sure you check out the link in my description. There's also a coupon code down there for you all, so we can be, you know, besties. Okay, and if y'all want the same bag as me, make sure y'all check me out. Okay, tag me on the Instagrams when you get your bag, because this popping. Okay, and also, y'all, make sure you keep your tissue paper. I forgot. Make sure you keep your tissue paper in your bag so it can stay its same shape. I don't know if anybody told y'all that, but I be seeing girls just be leaving it out there. In order for your bag to keep its shape, you have to put something in it. Okay, you could put socks in it, belts in it, something, but I keep the paper so the bag can stay its shape. And again, this dust bag, okay, so that was the Ava bag in green. Okay, so next, y'all, again, FedEx, UPS, USPS, all of y'all mail carriers, be nice. Okay, this is ridiculous. Look what they did to my box. Just look at it. Oh, same situation, same box. This is their Vienna top handle bag, but I'm not gonna tell you which color, but just know this is their top handle bag. Let me take it out of the box. I can't believe they did my box like this. Again, they have this cute dust bag. So this dust bag actually has like ribbon as their tie, but it also has the Sinbono logo on it. So let's get into it. I'm excited, girl. I'm excited. Y'all. Y'all, OMG. Do y'all see this leather on this bag? Talk to me nice. Like, what? Do y'all see this gold detail on here? Oh my god. And also, again, they have their logo on the bag, but if you're not a logo type of chick, all you gotta do is turn it to the back. Okay, what? Oh my god. So this is a top handle bag, so you can hold it like this when you're out. I like to put it on what is this, my forearm, the little ones like this, especially when I'm trying to be cute and I'm going to the club or something and I don't want them to be bag checking me. I love to have like a little bag like this. But y'all, this, look at the zipper detail. Can y'all see that? Oh my god. Do y'all see the reflection? Look, that is, girl, you ain't even gotta oil up the gold. That's how shiny this gold is. So you can wear it top handle, or my favorite. Do y'all see? Oh my gosh, Sinbono. So they sent this nice gold chain handle that comes with the bag, so you can wear it as a crossbody. What? And when I say this quality rivals my Coach purse. If y'all watch my Coach unboxing, you can see I also got a gold chain, but this is much a yellow gold. This is yellow gold. This is like money gold. Hold on, let me put it on this bag because I'm excited. So these little gold pieces right here is for you to clasp the handle on here. So the, oh look, it come up like this and you just hook it. Let's try to do this with one hand and hold it. Girl, she don't want to be my friend. Vienna, you need to be my friend. So it hooks on like this. Oh my god, and you can wear it as a crossbody. Y'all, I'm about to be out in the streets with my don't touch my Sinbono bag. Thank you. It's cute, right? I give you the link, but don't be touching it and stuff. Y'all, and as when they say crossbody, this is what crossbody means. So you just wear it across your body. Girl, I didn't know either. You know they come up with names and stuff, but this, and it's such a mini, oh my god. And the leather is not ashy. I don't know if y'all ever been to like Ross or like TJ Maxx or Burlington and some of them bags look ashy. This bag is not ashy at all, and the leather is shiny. It's this nice, I like, this is like milk chocolate to me, honey. That's why I want it, so I can wear it with this milk chocolate outfit that I get. I'm excited, girl. Just wait for the brunch look. Okay, let's look inside because I got sidetracked. I'm sorry, I got sidetracked. So let's see what's inside of the bag. So inside of the bag, it's one of their mini pieces. So it just has a brown flap. You gotta open it. Okay, so it just has a brown flap with their logo on it, just so you can put like your cards and stuff in it. The rest is just a bag. So the mini bags don't have as much room, but they still have a whole bunch of style. And again, this is the Vienna bag, the top handle bag in the color brown. 100% vegan leather. And y'all, straight off the bat, it's this is a vibe. Do y'all see this? This is gonna be my thumbnail. Hold on. Look at this. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Everybody will be asking you where you got this bag from. Bomb. This is so bomb. Ooh. Focus camera. The camera's trying to focus on me. Yes, honey. Bomb. Super bomb. Super bomb. I don't know which one I like more. Girl, let me put you back in your dust bag because y'all know I'm excited. I'm excited. I got a whole look for these. I got a whole look for these. A whole joint. A whole look back at it. A whole look back at it. Y'all. And it's super cute. I love mini bags because they're like convenient enough where you don't feel too stuffy. And they're like big enough for you to put all your necessities in it. You don't got to bring everything, girl. You can just bring the necessities. Okay? And last but not least, again, FedEx, UPS, USPS, you on my list, okay, in 2022. This is what the box looked like, and this is the drawstring handbag. This is the drawstring handbag, y'all. It's called drawstring handbag. Okay, so this is what it comes in. Again, it's one of the minier bags and comes in the ribbon drawstring bag. Let me open it. Oh, they double knotted this. This must be good because they double knotted this joint. Hold on. Oh. Okay, first of all, Sinbono protects their bags, and this is what I'm loving. Like, oh my god, I love the experience. Y'all, first of all, this is what I saw when I opened it up. Do y'all see this? This is so luxy. Oh my god. Yeah. This gold detail at the top. Y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing. 2022 who? Don't touch my purse. 2022. Don't touch my purse. Y'all. So again, they put their logo in the front, but as we know, we can always put it to the back. I'm loving this architecture right here. This right here. What? You put this on the table, everybody gonna be trying to touch your purse. Ma'am, don't touch, excuse me, it's Corona. Don't be touching my my purse. Okay. On the inside, they have this gold clasp. Their magnets are A1, as you can see. Like, girl, let me pull her apart. Hey, I don't want to rip it. I'm trying to be gentle. Okay, so it comes apart like this. So it comes apart. As you can see, they have a gold magnet here and a gold magnet here. This is the drawstring, so that's why they call it the drawstring bag. I love how they packaged it. So I guess you can oh, okay. You see, you unscrunch it like this. Oh, the inside, y'all. The inside has that nice fabric on it. Again, we have a card situation pocket, and we also have their Sinbono logo monogram pocket where you can just put your ID or something. So this one has a little bit more space than the mini, that Vienna handbag. But y'all, so let's look at the handle. Let's look at the handle. This is the part. So again, y'all, it's the detail for me. This gold, when I say it's popping, it is popping. Like, it's not faded. It's so shiny. The leather is A1. Like, y'all can see it look like I oiled it up with Vaseline. Like, it's the first day of school. I ain't even do that. So I am very shocked. Like, this girl, talk to me nice. So again, this is where you attach the straps. I'm gonna take the drawstring pieces out of here. and like this. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a little bit different. Let me show y'all. Let me get y'all real close and comfortable. So on these gold rings, Sinbono actually monogrammed their name on here. Can y'all see it? Down here where my thumb is, they actually monogrammed their name on the freaking bag. Y'all see that? Oh, thank you, camera. Look at camera working with me. Sinbono monogrammed the freaking hooks, y'all. Oh, A1. So you have to open it. How you open this knife? Girl, let me not break stuff because y'all know I'm a little handsy. I'm a little handsy, girl. Handsy type of chick. Okay, so you don't pull it, you push. You push this down and then you hook it. So we're pushing it down and then we're gonna put this on the top of it. Be my friend, girl, be my friend. Okay, so let me do the same to the other side. Y'all, so this could be a clutch. This can actually be a clutch. So let me close it up first. I'm closing it up. I'm doing the drawstring like this. It can be a clutch, and you can actually, like how they packaged it, just tuck the drawstrings in the bag. That's a look. Oh my gosh, this is so versatile. This is a look like this, and you could just have it as a clutch. So you can have it as a clutch, like if you're going out at night and you just need a simple black clutch, that could do it. Or you can wear it with this top handle like this. So it's to each his own. You got multiple various different ways you can do it, but y'all, I'm in love. And even look, just look at it, like this architecture, everything. Oh, oh girl, this is nice, honey. I'm very shocked. So thank you so much for Sinbono for sending me these bags to review. I'm super excited about them. I'm super excited to start styling them. If you're interested in any of the bags that I mentioned, the Ava bag, the Vienna bag, and the drawstring bag, all will be linked down below. My coupon code will also be down there, so y'all can save y'all some coins on top of coins, okay? Because it's 2022. We're gonna be good with our finances this year. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. But y'all better get into it. Like I'm showing y'all some good stuff, and I'm so like ready for the new season. But y'all, this bag is timeless. And again, when y'all order it, y'all gonna see how shiny these pieces are. Like the leather is shiny, the engraving is shiny, even the like gold pieces. Oh, bomb. Super bomb, super bomb. So I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, and if any of these like pique your interest. They have multiple colors. I know they have like a lavender, they have white, they have black, brown, chocolate, all different types of colors. So, and girl, are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos. And make sure you're following me on the Instagram streets so you can see me style these wigs and stuff like that on my Instagram at xoChloeElise. So peace and hair grease, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye y'all.